My name's Paul Murray and my company's Paul Murray Insurance Solutions, and I'm a specialist in protection insurance. For my clients, that means I help them to protect the things that are important to them, such as their lifestyle, their house, their family, and also things like private medical insurance, protecting their health. Listen to what my clients have to say about the advice that I've given them.
Paul helped with insurance for my son and his partner. They went off to Australia for 2 years and he was able to get me cover that was to cover every aspect while they were away, and knowing that my son was safe gave me the peace of mind and I could sleep at night.
We needed some business protection insurance because the value of the business keeps going up. We needed to raise the amount of protection that we had and cover. With Paul's guidance, not only did he get us the cover that we wanted, it was a premium that was far less than we were expecting.
I spoke to Paul about my business insurance to ensure that I was covered in all aspects, from the property to the staff and to public liability, and he was able to help and advise and direct me to a very good insurance company.
Let's hear from Stuart. When I arranged his policy and gave him advice, we never ever thought that we would need to claim on the policy. But let Stuart tell his story.
Yeah, I went to speak to you about life insurance and he said, well, why don't you try this critical illness cover too? It's only £23 a month and it's great, so I went with that. I had a stroke at I was 26, I think it was, and yeah, it was unbelievable, and like I was worrying what like I was going to be like when I got out of there. Yeah, I was in a coma. I was in the hospital for 4 months, and I just at first when I woke up I didn't know where I was, why I was there. It was just a hospital ward, and went to get out of my bed and I fell straight on the floor, and it was just unbelievable. They said, you've had a stroke, and I was like, wow. It was unbelievable. Yeah, after 6 months, yeah, the claim was sorted, and I got a call off Bright Grey. They said, yeah, the money's in your bank, and that was that. Oh, that had a massive impact on my life, you know, just unbelievable. I don't know what I'd have done without it, if you see what I'm saying. It's been one of those things which I'm glad I got. Really glad I got it, yeah. I remember when we signed the policy up and I said to you, it's only a couple of pints a week, yeah. And it's been a cracking result, yeah. Just couldn't believe it. Like I say, I wouldn't have wanted to use it, but because of what's happened, I just felt like I had to, and I'm so glad I took out of critical illness cover with yourself.
If you'd like me to advise you and the people that you care about, then please contact me for a free initial consultation.